In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always appear active on Slack. For those who might not be familiar, Slack is a messaging platform designed for teams to communicate and collaborate more efficiently. It's perfect for work environments that require constant and seamless communication. However, there might be times when you want to stay online, even if you're away from your desk for a while. Whether you're heading into a meeting, taking a lunch break, or simply needing a moment away from your workstation, this guide will help you maintain that active status without any hitches. First, you'll need to tweak your preferences in Slack. Once you've opened the Slack application, look towards the upper left corner of your screen where your profile picture or initials are located. Clicking here will drop down a menu. You'll find preferences in that list, so go ahead and select it. In the Preferences menu, navigate over to the Notifications tab. Here, you can manage how you receive alerts and notifications. While it doesn't directly keep your status active, having efficient notification settings ensures that you're informed of any critical updates you're still connected to your workspace. Next, you'll want to consider using third-party software or a script to help keep that green light on. There are various applications available that simulate activity on your computer. Essentially, they prevent your system from going idle. By keeping your system active, Slack also reads this as continued activity and retains your online status. Remember to verify the compatibility of any tool with your operating system and ensure it's secure to avoid any unwanted installations. Alternatively, there's a simple hardware trick you can use if you're working with a mouse. Find an old-school clock with a second hand or anything with a similar constant movement. Place your optical mouse over the edge of this moving item. The motion will register as activity on your computer, thereby maintaining your active status on Slack. It's a quirky but effective method that some might find quite handy. You can also manually set your Slack status to show you're online, but be careful, as this can reset to away after some inactivity. It's more of a temporary solution, but combined with the constant movement trick can be very effective. Lastly, it's important to test your approach. Enter a Zoom meeting with a colleague or check with a friend if your status is consistently showing as active during your trial runs. This allows you to fine-tune any steps you might have missed. Remember, these methods should be used responsibly and ethically. While it's great to have these tools, maintain transparency with your team or manager about your availability. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave your comments and subscribe for more handy tech tips.